Do you really want to protect your vinyl floor from excessive dust and damage? But you don't know what is the actual way to keep your floor safe and secure. So, don't worry. Your floor will now be clean and shiny like it was when you bought it a few days ago. We are going to tell you the ever best way to protect vinyl tile flooring from scratches. Get ready to make your vinyl tile floor new forever. For sure ways to protect vinyl tiles flooring from scratches. Vinyl tiles catches scratches but it won't tough to remove it. Let's protecting your furniture in an easiest way. Hold on. We gonna tell you. It's more simple to keep them from scratching, compared to other vinyl floorings. It requires your awareness and constant attention to avoid scratches on your vinyl floor. We're ready to begin. Protecting from your furniture. A heavy piece of furniture is one of the most common causes of scratches on vinyl flooring. Do you know that there's a sharp bottom of your furniture that causes scratches? And it really gives big damage to your flooring. But don't get worried about it. You can attach protective gear to heavy and sharp furniture on your floor if you have vinyl flooring installed. It is always a good idea not to drag any heavy furniture over the vinyl tiles flooring. So just use the lift to move the furniture. Use slides and glides to protect your furniture. Using slide and glide is a wonderful great invention to protect your flooring and keep safe and shiny as it's really new. No more need to indulge yourself to go store to store and find it, because it's easily available to your nearest store. Slides and glides are used to make vinyl flooring solutions bearable for heavy furniture. Regularly apply protective coating. Don't ignore the main thing to protect your furniture from scratching. Regularly applying the protective coating is perfect for your furniture. The installation of vinyl flooring is incomplete without applying a protective coating, because it saves your floor from scratches. It works as a shield against scratches. Your floor is ready to look stunning. You know, that coating protects from floor scratches when a sharp object or heavy object contacts it. This saves the vinyl tiles flooring from damage. No more damages at all. If you apply a protective coating over vinyl tiles, you should be vigilant about noticing any scratches. The protective coating can be recovered if you act immediately. Keep away the rolling coaster. It's not a secret that rolling casters are a familiar part of many of our households. But trust me, vinyl flooring is most vulnerable to scratches for them. Having casters under chairs, computer tables, and food-serving trolleys makes a mess on vinyl flooring. Use separate floor mats where the casters can move if you use rolling casters. Shoes with sharp edges should be kept out. Several shoes come with very tough bottoms. There are even some with spikes to help you grip better. Several of the above factors can damage vinyl tiles and cause big scratches. We are being impolite with the solution. Your guests should be asked to remove their shoes outside in order to protect the vinyl tiles. Add rugs to protect the vinyl tiles. Your room will now be enhanced and more beautiful with the addition of a great rug. Rugs can play a great role and your tiles won't get scratched easily. Put rugs in corners where people gather, under heavy furniture, and at dining tables and chairs. By doing this, they will prevent any scratches on the vinyl tiles floor underneath. Protect it with an extra layer of coating. An extra layer of protective coating may lessen the risk of scratches. This protective layer will fight against excessive weight. Moreover, sharp objects won't hurt the vinyl tiles directly. It's greatly recommended to use these protective precautions to keep your tiles shining. Now your floor will always look fresh and it will attract everyone. So, don't think too much. Let out all your worries about an attractive floor.